Hi everyone, look at this colorful origami stars. Let's make it. You can take origami paper. If you don't have origami paper, you can cut a strip of paper using yellow craft paper. So start folding it and make a pentagon shape. After this, we are going to overlap all of them and tuck it inside. Then we're going to give it shape using fingers, and look, your star is ready. We are going to make this origami flower. So take a square craft paper and fold it like we are doing here. Open it and again fold it. After this, we are going to flip it and fold it. Then we are going to make 5 such petals and combine all of them together like this. Now tuck all of them like we are doing here and give it shape like this. Now curl the petals, make 2 such flowers and overlap them. Then we are going to make multiple cuts on this yellow strip of paper, roll it and paste it at the center, and look, your flower is ready. Look at this mini flower bouquet. Let's make it. We are going to make the rose first using these blue strip paper. You can use origami paper. If you don't have an origami paper, you can cut these from blue craft paper. Here we are going to twist and roll and make a beautiful rose flower. Finally, we are going to roll it from its bottom side as well. Now make more such blue rose flowers and tie them together using a rubber band. Now cut a mask. If you don't have a mask, you can use tissue paper and cover the bouquet like we're doing here, and it's done. Look at this flower hanging. Let's make it. So cut a rectangular strip of paper and fold it from its top and bottom in triangular shape. Flip it and again fold it from its center part, and we are going to fold it into half and tuck it inside from its corners. Make more such shapes. We are making 6 such shapes and paste all of them together one after another in circular form. Flip it and again fold it. Now we are going to give it shape at the center, and look, your flower hanging is ready. In this video, we are going to make these mini paper cabinets. So let's get started. We are folding these colorful craft paper from its diagonals. Again fold it from its sides. Now open it. Here we are going to make a box by folding it from all its sides, and look, it is ready. Then we are going to make these bottom boxes. Fold another piece of paper like we are doing here, and then tuck it all inside like this. Do the same from other side as well, and it's done. We are going to take another piece of paper same way. Make the same box and combine all of them together, and it's done. Let's make these colorful envelopes using craft paper. So we are folding this yellow craft paper, fold it from its sides. Now paste it using double-sided tape and tuck it inside. You can also draw lines and paste stickers on it, and it's done. Look at these heart shapes. Let's make it. So take a rectangular piece of paper and start folding it and make a triangular shape. Do the same from upper side, then start folding it like we're doing here, and we're going to fold it. We're making flower here, so do the same from the bottom side. Now we're going to give it shape of a heart, and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.